Here comes Quincon with his war cry. Hi, we all know that Necromancer is a really good tower in Kingdom Rush Frontiers. It is really useful to fight and stop enemies, because of its ability to bring the Skeleton Warriors and the Death Rider. Let's us see if Necromancer can defeat the Monkey King Quincon. We know, he is furious and strong. Here comes Quincon with his war cry, and he is not wasting any time by talking like the other bosses. Now, he is calling his fellow apes for help, and they are here. Let's start the real fight now. Necromancers are doing a good job so far. They managed to reduce his HP by 35% already. I think Quincon is not a tough opponent for the Necromancers. He is bringing more allies, but we know, nothing is going to help him in this fight. Even Bruxa do not have to do much, as the towers are doing a great job. It's just a matter of few more seconds now. That's it. Mission completed. Thank you for watching.